In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a free portfolio website in under 10 mins with GitHub pages. We'll move quickly, but I'll keep it clear and simple so you can follow along and end with a clean portfolio you can publish from GitHub. First, open your browser and go to the ChatGPT website. In the chat box, type a clear prompt that describes what you want. For example, create a sample portfolio for GitHub, suitable for GitHub pages. This helps generate clean starter content with sections like an About Me, projects, skills, and contact links. When you see an option or suggestion to create a sample portfolio for GitHub, click it to kick off the draft. If you want to personalize anything, type a short follow-up describing your preferred style, colors, or the sections you need. Keep private details out. You can always add or remove items later. Select the option labeled GitHub Portfolio, readme.md. This usually formats the content neatly with headings, links, and project highlights, making it easy to drop into a repository. Once the content appears, use the Copy button or select all and copy it so you can bring it into GitHub. Now, switch over to GitHub and open your repository where you want the portfolio to live. If you already have a sample project or similar repo, click it from your dashboard to open the code view. From the repository page, go to the area where you manage files. Click Create New File. In the file name field, type what you need. If you're using Markdown, readme.md is a great start and instantly shows on the repo's homepage. If you generated HTML, you can name it index.html so it's ready for GitHub pages. In the large editor area, paste the portfolio content you copied from ChatGPT. Take a quick moment to skim it for accuracy, update any placeholder links, and make sure you're comfortable with what's public. When everything looks good, scroll down and save the new file by committing it. A short commit message like Add Portfolio keeps things tidy. After the save, your repository will display the portfolio content immediately, and you'll have the essential pieces in place to serve it with GitHub pages. That's it. You used ChatGPT to draft a polished portfolio, brought it into